You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word? It's a word from French, but that also exists in English, and it's most famous for being the name of a perfume or fragrance or eau de toilette by Givenchy. If you want to learn more names from fashion beauty from France, make sure to stay tuned in French, and then we'll get to English. It's pronounced as Amarige in French. Amarige. Amarige. Yes, the G is pronounced like ZH, J sound, okay? Amarige, or in English, Amarige. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.